For CorelDRAW Graphics Suite subscribers and maintenance customers, CorelDRAW Web offers a comprehensive CorelDRAW experience in a web browser, enabling you to design beyond the desktop. Create on the go or make quick edits without needing the full desktop application. CorelDRAW Web complements the desktop application so designers can work from virtually anywhere. All you need is a compatible browser for access to the latest features. No installation required, no manual software updates. CorelDRAW Web includes many of the vector graphic design tools found in the desktop version, enabling you to create and edit designs online. Projects started in CorelDRAW Web can be seamlessly opened and edited in the CorelDRAW desktop application, and vice versa. CorelDRAW Web opens a world of project workflows. For example, start in CorelDRAW Desktop and save your file to the cloud. At a client visit, open CorelDRAW Web on your laptop. Open your file from the cloud, get client feedback, and make some requested edits on the spot. Save again to the cloud, then open the file later in the desktop application to continue working. CorelDRAW Web includes tools for non-destructive effects and adjustments, which maintain the integrity of original assets. Advanced text and font handling capabilities make it easy to create visually appealing layouts. And to get started, CorelDRAW Web offers a wide range of ready-to-use templates. CorelDRAW Web supports a wide range of file formats, including CDR, PDF, AI, SVG, and more. In CorelDRAW and Corel Photo Paint, there are now two options for outputting your work in PDF format: Publish or Export to PDF, and the new Print to PDF. To print to PDF, choose File, Print, and choose Corel Print to PDF. The Print to File option is automatically selected, and there is a PDF tab. Many of the settings here can also be found when using Publish to PDF, but Print to PDF offers additional features. The Color tab has a Separations option, which opens the Separations tab. This is essential when using cost-effective offset printing, which requires separate plates for each color. The Print Preview window provides access to more advanced settings and a real-time preview of the professional print output. In this example, I'll use Imposition Layout settings to set up a print job with 4x4 card rows on a larger sheet. I'll edit page placements for cloned ordering and can also adjust margins, guttering, and finish. I can add and preview printer's marks and add file information for the printer. There are tabs for separate color plates for front and back, each with slightly different content. For instance, this yellow plate shows the areas that will be printed in yellow, including parts of the black background. I'll click Print to save the PDF. This PDF has 8 pages containing CMYK print data for front and back, along with all marks and file info. When using a print service, these settings ensure that your output is fully optimized for professional, high-quality print workflows, and your file can now go straight to the print service with no intermediate steps. The updated Painterly brush tool replicates the look and feel of traditional media, such as watercolors, oils, and pastels, while retaining vector properties. CorelDRAW Graphics Suite includes over 100 Painterly brushes, plus many additional free brushes for subscribers. Even more brush packs are available for purchase from the Store tab on the Welcome screen. While using the tool, the media tray next to the brush picker shows the currently used brush on the left, plus the 2 most recently used brushes. This provides easy access to brushes without having to search in the brush picker. In the Object Stalker, a from-scratch brush stroke is called a curve, and the additional brush icon indicates that a bitmap effect was applied. When applying a brush stroke, you can change brush size on the fly by holding down the Shift key and dragging up or down. The blue circular cursor indicates a brushstroke of constant width. When using a brushstroke of random widths, the cursor is a crosshair. While a brushstroke is selected with the Painterly brush tool, you can also shift-drag to change its brush size. Several brushes now have tilt angle and tilt direction settings. For airbrushes, pastels, chalks, etc., these controls simulate drawing with a pen. Tilt angle controls how close to vertical your pen is pointing, and tilt direction sets the angle with respect to the drawing surface. CorelDRAW and Corel Photo Paint provide free access to cutting-edge and timeless Pantone color palettes, ideal for use in branding, fashion, and interior design. In other design applications, Pantone palettes are incomplete or missing. Pre-mixed and standardized for consistency across print media, Pantone hues are crucial for reliable and consistent color management and enable seamless communication and coordination with printers and manufacturers. In addition to the 44 Pantone process and spot palettes already available, containing over 15,000 colors, the latest Dualities color palette includes 175 new and innovative shades for industry-standard color matching. Continuing our commitment to deliver on customer requests, our latest version also brings performance and quality improvements, direct access to over 300 additional Google font families, advanced security upgrades for your online safety, and license management optimization for businesses. Loaded with innovative new apps, features, content, and enhancements, CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 offers endless design possibilities with unparalleled efficiency.